Welcome to another incredible adventure. Today we're diving into the heart of one of the most beautiful countries in the world, Italy. From breathtaking landscapes to rich history and mouth-watering cuisine, Italy truly has it all. So buckle up as we explore the wonders of Italy. Our journey begins in Venice, the floating city, known for its enchanting canals, stunning architecture, and romantic gondola rides. Venice feels like a place out of a storybook. Take a gondola ride to experience Venice's magic from the water. Each turn of the canal reveals another piece of Venetian charm. And don't miss Mississippi St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Byzantine art. Next, we head to Tuscany, the land of rolling hills, charming villages, and world-famous wine. Tuscany is a feast for the senses. Stroll through vineyards that stretch as far as the eye can see, and savor the passion that goes into every bottle of Chianti. And don't miss Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, where you can see Michelangelo's David and the iconic Duomo. From Tuscany, we travel south to the Amalfi Coast, one of the most picturesque coastlines in the world. With its turquoise waters and vibrant villages like Positano, it's a dream come true for travelers. And the food: fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and of course, limoncello made from Amalfi lemons. This is Italian cuisine at its finest. No trip to Italy would be complete without visiting Rome, the Eternal City. With its awe-inspiring monuments and ancient history, Rome is a city where the past comes alive. Stand before the grandeur of the Colosseum and imagine the glory of ancient Rome. Nearby, the Roman Forum tells the story of Roman life. And don't forget to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to this incredible city. Finally, we travel to Sicily, an island rich in history and culture. From ancient Greek ruins to bustling markets, Sicily offers a unique blend of influences. Explore vibrant markets in Palermo, where the aroma of fresh produce, seafood, and street food like arancini and cannoli fills the air. And for adventure, hike on Mount Etna, one of the world's most active volcanoes. Italy is truly a wonderland of beauty, history, and flavor. Whether you're wandering through the canals of Venice, savoring wine in Tuscany, or exploring ancient ruins in Rome, there's something magical waiting for you at every corner. Here's to the wonders of Italy. Until next time, keep exploring and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. See you on the next adventure.